was a cowboy I knew in South Texas. His face was burnt deep by the sun. Part history, part sage, part mesquite. He was there when Pancho Villa was young, and he'd tell you a tale of the old days when the country was wild all around. Sit out under the stars of the Milky Way and listen while the coyotes howl. And they go, woo yip, woo yip, woo, woo yip, woo.
Alrighty, everyone. 26 on the Appalachian Trail through hiking adventure up here at Mount Moosilauke, the highest point since Chestnut Knob, I believe, which was way back in Virginia. So we're sitting pretty at about 4,802 feet. Up here, the view is just absolutely spectacular off the top. 360 views all around, and then off in this direction over here, we can see the whites, which is pretty intense, pretty incredible. You can see a lot of jaggedy looking peaks over there, that's for sure. And Switchy, enjoying Moosilauke, conquered Moosilauke. It was a good climb up here, I think about 3,000 feet. And yeah, beautiful day on Moosilauke. I'm going to sign it off here, over and out.
This has been a Steady Yeti production. Goodbye.